Hi friends, welcome to Terra Naturals. In this video, let's explore the making of Orange Bioenzyme. Both concentrated and diluted bioenzyme is a natural cleaner made from the fermentation of orange peels, brown sugar and water. It has a variety of uses in both household and agricultural settings. Due to its acidic nature and pleasant fragrance, it is effective for floor cleaning, kitchen counters, and bathroom cleaning, leaving a refreshing citrus scent. Add 10 ml of diluted orange bioenzyme with 1 liter of water and spray to the plants twice a month and notice the results. Let's get started. The ratio should be 15:10:3:1. Container capacity 15 times, water 10 times, orange peels 3 times, jaggery 1 time. This ratio is standard for all bioenzymes. Mix all together. It's a 90 days process. First 30 days you have to open and close the lid. Next 60 days leave as it is. After 90 days the bioenzyme is ready to use. After 90 days, you can see the white layer formation on the top. So, the bioenzyme is successfully ready. Filter the diluted bioenzyme with the use of cloth or filter like this. And grind the pulp. Both concentrated and diluted orange bioenzymes are ready. Bioenzymes are friendly, economical, and biodegradable, and also it is very convenient to use. Bioenzymes are zero waste product. Any concentrated bioenzyme can be used for a tough stains and as a starter of a new bioenzyme. Stay tuned for the making of a bioenzyme with starter bioenzyme. There is no expiry date for these bioenzymes if you seal the bioenzyme properly. Always use inner cap to store the bioenzyme. Once give a try to this and leave your feedback in the comment section. Let us check the bioenzyme formed successfully or not. If you see the white layer like this, the bioenzyme formed successfully. If you see the black layer, the bioenzyme has spoiled. You have to add some amount of jaggery to recover it. If you see some worms like this, bioenzyme has spoiled. You have to add some amount of jaggery to recover it. If you see the green color like this, the bioenzyme fully spoiled and you have to discard it. So make sure for the perfect ratio 15:10:3:1. I will share all the making of bioenzymes in my upcoming videos. Stay tuned for other bioenzymes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.